Hi, my name is Kris Turvey and welcome to the Gnomon Workshop Introduction to Fusion. In this course, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to get up and running with this incredibly powerful yet surprisingly easy to learn piece of software. I've been a concept artist for well over 15 years now, working on movies like Dune Part 2 and TV shows like Invasion and Doctor Who, amongst many others. And Fusion has become a real go-to tool for me anytime I need to do any kind of hard surface design. In this course, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to get up and running using Fusion yourself. We'll cover how to bring in reference images and concept art, how to create initial design ideas through simple 2D sketching in the design workspace, and then how to take those 2D sketches and turn them into 3D using each of the main modeling modes in Fusion: solids, surfaces, and forms. We'll look at how to apply materials and create high quality renders of your ideas in the render workspace, as well as lots of extra fun stuff like making animatics, animations, motion studies, model sheets, and much more. And along the way, we can make a fun sci-fi gun as a kind of demo project to put all our learning into practice. This course assumes no prior knowledge of Fusion or indeed 3D in general. By the end of it, you should have everything you need to know to get up and running creating in Fusion yourself. We've got loads of fun stuff to cover, so let's dive in and get started.